Hey there, and welcome back. Let me guess, right now you're assuming that the only way you can get your boyfriend back is if you can convince him to give you a second chance. You probably think that it's up to him to decide whether you'll ever get back together or be more than just friends. Actually, that's not the case. If you follow the correct process and get some expert guidance, you can flip the situation on its head and have your boyfriend chasing after you. Sound too good to be true? I mean, this may sound a bit unrealistic, but believe me, it's not. The most effective means of winning back your boyfriend is to make him chase you and beg you to get back together. Whatever the scenario is, you need to steal the power from your boyfriend. I mean, right now, he is in a position of complete power, since he is making the decision to break up with you despite your desire to stay together. You were made completely powerless. You probably would have been willing to walk 100 miles in a blizzard if it meant your boyfriend would change his mind about the breakup, right? So, in other words, if he wanted you back, all he had to do was ask, and you would have been happy to go along with this. But now, it's time to take back the power and put yourself in a stronger bargaining position. It's time for you to take control of the situation and remove your boyfriend's safety net. By doing this, you'll actually be turning the tables and taking the first step towards making him chase after you. What's the very best way to demonstrate to your boyfriend that you no longer need him in your life? By ending all communication for 3 weeks. This period of time is crucial because it will be totally unexpected from his point of view. He still thinks he's got you under his thumb at this point and probably assumes that you'll come running back in a heartbeat if he asked. By disappearing off of his radar, you're basically communicating to him that you're okay with the breakup and that you are ready to move on and replace him with someone new. Now, that may not be true, but it's important that he thinks that's the case. And trust me, he won't try to call your bluff. As the weeks pass by and he still hasn't heard a peep from you, he will be powerless to stop feelings of longing and nostalgia from forming. With you suddenly out of the picture completely, he will almost certainly begin to miss you badly and wonder if breaking up with you was a big mistake. Then he may have told you he still wants to be friends and would like for you to continue to be a part of his life. Take your time to think for a moment. Why do you think he would suggest that? Exactly. So if you want to discover step by step what you need to do next to get your boyfriend back fast, whatever the scenario may be, click the button below and follow the instructions in this coach. He reserved this just for you. He has worked with thousands of men and women around the world, helping to reverse breakups, stop divorce, and mend broken relationships. His success rate is over 90%. If you really want to get your boyfriend back, he is your man.